Today we're going to be doing some exciting new product reveals and launch our new Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. Hi, I'm Annette, and together with Allison and some of our very talented Sweet Pea staff, we're going to bring you up to date with what's been happening this past week at Sweet Pea. We are going to show you what's just been released and some golden oldies. Plus, we will reveal some exciting ways that you can participate and have a chance to win some exciting new prizes. So buckle in, grab a cup of something, and let's get going. Introduce someone to those of you who haven't had the pleasure of meeting my little sister. Just a quick FYI, Allison is the founder of Sweet Pea, who without her sheer drive and passion for her hobby that is machine embroidery, none of us would be here today. So it is without further ado, I am very pleased to introduce you to Miss Sweet Pea herself, Allison Nash.
Hi everyone, I want to take this opportunity to welcome you to this, our first ever Sweet Talk with Sweet Pea. I'm very excited to show you all some exciting new products that you can purchase directly from our website and have them delivered straight to your door.
That's right, Allison. I think it's one thing to have photos of our new products posted on our website, but for us to be able to handle our new products here and show everybody how they will arrive at their doorstep, I think this is fantastic.
Yeah. Hi, this is our Sweet Pea Essential Stitch Buster, and I'll just open it up and show you what you actually get. It's basically a stitch unpicker, or a stitch eraser we call it. Comes packaged in shrink wrapped plastic to protect it in the mail. You can take that off, and then we have our label there. Basically it comes in this beautiful case, which is perfect for you to take to your sewing lessons or your craft group that you go to, or actually be beautiful as a gift for someone you know who's a sewer. Inside there's a little mesh pocket where you can actually use as storage. We have the instructions in there on how to use it, the Stitch Buster itself. And something that's really special about our Stitch Buster is that it has a charging stand that the USB cord can plug into, but also that cord can plug into the Stitch Buster itself. So while you're sewing, you can have it set up like this charging, and then it's always just ready to use. If you ever have the occasion where you've used it a lot and it goes flat, you also have the option of plugging that straight into there, and you can use the Stitch Buster while it's plugged in. I think you'll find it absolutely fantastic. We've had it specially made to cut thread. It's not just a hair trimmer. The blades are super sharp. It's got tiny little teeth that are especially made so they don't catch on the threads and everything when you're using it. So anyway, I hope you enjoy it. If you'd like to find out more about the Stitch Buster, just go to the link that shows on your screen. Hi Cassie. I'm going to show you our beautiful Sweet Shop fabric today. Comes in a fat quarter pack like this we call it, and there's 20 different designs. It is so pretty, beautiful. I designed it especially really to be used in quilts or small pieces of applique. That's probably not the best one to show you, but some of them, if you used a piece here, you'd get a nice blue piece, like there's pink and purple and everything over there. So they're perfect for the sort of machine embroidery design that we make here. This is our beautiful quilt that we've made using these fabrics. I'll keep showing you the fabric. Maybe Cassie could hold the quilt up a little bit or something to show you. It's called our Bloom Delight. Called our Bloom Delight quilt. And as you can see, all our pretty fabrics are in it. This one's gorgeous. Look at the pink and the green. So Cassie, you actually sewed this?
Yes.
Yeah, so is it applique or embroidery, or what have you done here?
So I've got different pieces of applique and embroidery to close the stitches.
Yeah.
For this quilt, I decided to do contrasting colours just so each colour of the fabrics would stand out as much as they possibly could. Yeah. We've got 3 different blocks, and
it's got lots of quilting on it.
Yes, I've got so much quilting just to keep it all down.
Yeah.
We've got 3 different blocks. They come flipped. The blocks come in 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7, and 8x8. So you can make it as large as you want, which is great.
What size is this one?
This one is 6x6.
Yep.
And we've just made a sample size.
That's right, because they could make a much larger quilt, couldn't they, by just doing the same rows?
Yeah, and there's so many different setouts that you could do. So we've got this flower in the centre. You could have a flower in each corner or however way you would.
Yeah, good.
Yeah.
And actually, even using these blocks, you probably don't even have to put them in that order if you turn them around.
Yeah, you could have it all different.
Yeah. Anyway, well, that was a great way for us to showcase our beautiful sweet shop fabric. Here we have our new shades of grey fabric pack. This is how our fabric comes. It's all wrapped in plastic to protect it in the mail. It's still folded per fat quarter, like a normal fat quarter pack, but we've packed it flat so it's cheaper to post out to you. Comes with our little Sweet Pea ribbon and a tag telling you what the fabric is and everything. The idea of this pack is so you can make a quilt that has all the different shades of grey in it. That's why we've named it that. There's from really light all the way through to dark. They make a fabulous quilt. We're actually always short of the right colour greys here, so that's why we specifically wanted to have a pack that had a lot of greys. Half of them, the fat quarters, are these shades of grey, and then we have some super bright colours that go with them, a pink one and a purple, and a blue, and a red. Anyway, as you can see, they are super luminescent and they'll look fabulous in your quilt set off against the black and white fabric.
I just want to show you some of my favourite newly released designs on the website. The first is this wonderful tea mug bag. It's a cute little bag, isn't it? And it comes with a matching tea wallet. So the idea is when you go travelling or when you go to a craft show or group or something, you can take this with you. So the tea wallet, for those who drink tea, has little pockets there for your tea bags, and you can even put your little sugar container in there. It's made in the hoop with only a tiny little bit of hand sewing or fabric glue to close up the zip. The seam. It has beautiful applique on the front. The applique can be either done with satin stitch or it can be done with a raw edge applique. We give you the two options with the designs. The two designs are available as a set on the website or separately. Now the little bag, it's again got the beautiful applique on the top there. It's closed with a cam snap and it's also got a ribbon threaded through the top there. You don't need to use the ribbon, but it acts as a drawstring so you can close it up. But you can use it without it, like that. A little handle, room for your cup, and it's fully lined. It's made in the hoop so that it's got batting in it as well. So the batting acts as an insulator, or it can protect your cup when you're travelling. So you can put that in there, and your little tea wallet, you can do it all up, and away you go. So that's the tea mug bag and tea wallet design, available together or as a set. So this is the second one that I wanted to show you. Prairie points are a classic way to add unconventional texture and dimension to quilts and other projects. While it's often seen on the edge of quilts, our design includes them throughout the quilt. This pretty prairie, but that's a bit of a tongue twister, point quilt would look quite different using different fabrics. It comes in different sizes, 4x4, 5x5, 6x6, 7x7 and 8x8. You can use these blocks to make anything you like. You could make a cushion, pillow, table runner, wall hanging, whatever you like. But that's one of my favourite designs as well. So again, as with all of our products, they're all available on our website, swpea.com. That's swpea.com.
Hi everyone, I'm Holly and this is my friend and co-worker Cassie. This segment is called Hot and Cold and it's based on the fact that our customers come from all over the world and live in places that are greatly different. In these segments, Cassie and I will be showing two previous Sweet Pea designs. one that'll appeal to those experiencing winter right now, and for those of you in Australia who are in the middle of a very, very hot summer like us. Cassie and I will be showing 2 older designs, our winter and the summer. So first of all, we'll show you the Snowflakes and Animal Table Runner. It's actually a pretty old design, maybe like 4 years ago we released it, and it's one of our, I think it's my favourite winter design. What about you?
Yeah, what do you like about it, Holly?
I really like the metallic thread that the snowflakes have and these horizon fabrics used on the sky for the animals. I also like just all these animals, they're pretty cool. So what do you like about the table runner?
So as you know, I love when we use animals in our designs. On this particular design, we've got our caribou, we've got 2 friendly penguins, we've got our polar bear and seal, and our howling wolf.
Yeah, I love the animals too. My favourites are the penguins. So what size hoops can this be made in?
This design can be made in the 6x10 and the 8x12, but our sample is made in the 6x10.
And these blocks are all machine embroidery designs, which are then joined with the sewing machine. The full pattern for the table runner is included in English and German. You can make anything with it. You can make a bag, placemats, quilts, anything really. So if you had to make something, what do you reckon you'd make with this one?
I love when we have individual blocks and they're all different. So I would like to make this as a wall hanging. You could use individual blocks to make a basket. Anything really, anything that's useful.
So for our hot design, we have this beach hut tote bag. We love this summer design. I kind of thought of it because Cassie actually went to the beach the other day, took the sample and got sand in it. So not sure how that's going to go at shows. So Cassie, can you tell us about making this bag?
Well, the thing I love about totes is that you can make the straps any length that you like if you want to be able to hold them low or have them long across your shoulder. This bag is made in the 5x7 hoop. You can make it in the 4x4 and the 6x6 as well. You can also make as many blocks as you like or use them for different things as well. With this particular design and the instructions that we provide, we show absolutely everything with photos and really well written instructions as well. So this is the back. We just chose to do a plain panel, but you could always make more of these to show on the back as well.
So before you said 5x7 hoop, did you mean 5x5 or what did you mean by that?
You can make it in the 5x5, but we choose to make our 5x5 designs in our 5x7s. Any design that you have can be made in a hoop that is one larger, and that just helps having to not have to buy so many hoops.
So we've finally made it to the fun part of the video. This is where you can interact with us. Each week we're going to put across a different competition for you guys to participate in and win cool prizes. This week we've chosen a nice fun one where you send in a photo of your favorite design that you've made. So your most proud project that you've done for Swpea. We'll be choosing 3 of the best photos and you can be in the chance to win $20 gift voucher on our Swpea website. So to send all your photos, send it to this address that I've got up on the screen here. Thank you, good luck.
Well, that's your lot for this week. Next week we'll have more demonstrations to show you and exciting news about some fun live chats where you can message us and we will reply live on air to you. Well, we hope that's going to how it works anyway. Bye for now everybody, happy crafting.